I will now tell you what the 80-20 rule is, aka the Pareto Principle, what it is and how it works. The 80-20 rule, also known as Pareto Principle, is a simple concept that traces roughly 80% of the results come from 20% of the causes. Here's a simple explanation how it works. What is the 80-20 rule? Suggests that in many situations, a small percentage of inputs or efforts lead to a larger percentage of outputs or results. It is named after the Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto, who observed that approximately 80% of the land in Italy was owned by 20% of the population. How it works: 80-20 rule can be applied to various aspects of life and business. For example, in business, it might mean that 80% of the company profits come from 20% of its customers, or that 80% of sales come from 20% of the products. Personal productivity Personal productivity could mean that 80% of your achievement come from 20% of your efforts. Understanding 80-20 rule can help people and organizations focus their efforts on most significant factors that drive results. By identifying the critical few inputs that lead to most significant outputs, individuals and businesses can prioritize their time, resource, and energy move more effectively to achieve their goals. Overall, the 80-20 rule is a valuable principle that highlights the importance of focusing on the most impactful activities and investments to maximize efficiency and effectiveness in various areas of work and life. Now, this is a very simple explanation. If you like a more detailed explanation and a longer video, please leave the request in the comments. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.